Driftomaniacs challenge. It's finally about drifting. Oh my gosh, can you imagine? So, what is the challenge today? We have a starting line. All right, our starting line that is at a tape mark for us. 4 feet later is a marker. 4 feet later is a water cup. And then repeat 2 more times. Marker, water cup, marker, water cup, all the way out to, as it turns out, 24 feet. So you have to come around a marker. You start at the beginning, drift around the marker, knock over the water bottle, drift around the other marker, knock over the water bottle, drift over the marker, knock it over, come back through, finish the slalom. You're crossing back the line, finishes your time. For every bottle that you knock down in a proper drift, you get minus 2 seconds off your time. If you hit a marker, if you knock one down not in a proper drift, you get plus 2 seconds on your time. So 2 different kinds of ways to enter the challenge today. One is with a vehicle of any kind, but that actually has actual drift tires on it. So something like this, where they're the plastic drift tire. The other way is a homemade drift tire. So something like this with tape is a very, very common. PVC or tape is a very, very common way to do that. So follow along. Let's see what happens.
Three, two, one, go. Eight seconds.
8 seconds. Oh, my steering stuck. All right, so 8 seconds, 8.95. Okay, good to know. So basically 9 seconds. 8.95. That didn't get hit. Hit all 3 of the bottles. Where did this bottle go? It's way out there next to the Chevelle. Hit all 3 bottles. So 8.95 minus 6 seconds.
It's
2.95. All right, so that's our entry for the one with the standard drift tires on the vehicle. Now it is time to flop over to the Red Cat Thunder Drift with the at-home made tires.
okay. 3, 2, 1, go. 8 seconds.
That's the one.
881.
880. Is that actually faster than the rear-wheel drive?
Yeah.
I think it is. I think basically it's faster than the rear-wheel drive. 881 minus clean, knockdown, clean, knockdown, clean, knockdown, minus 6 seconds puts us at 281. All right, awesome. So both entries in, one for the standard with the drift tire, one without. Fun challenge. I'm sweating profusely. It is really, really hot today. Thank you guys for watching. Hey, come check out some of our other videos, and we will see you next time.
Thank you.